So here we are with the Harvard CBM404, which is the same chassis as the Harvard H403 Good Buddy, and the same chassis as the Alba CBM5, and the same chassis as the Commando, and the same chassis as the Legionnaire. Haven't heard anybody on it yet, even though it's not insensitive. And if you looked at the repair video, there was a snag with receive. So, see what's on Mega Chippie channel. Part of the way through we'll go over to the extension speaker and hear it on that for a bit. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, copy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yep, roger that.
But we'll go to the extension speaker now.
Right, we'll come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the petrol station Ancaster closed.
Oh, Roger on the petrol station being closed. Bit of a squelch tail, isn't there?
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. Now we'll go back to internal speaker.
Tango 21 Chippie, now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Harvard CBM404 from 1982 and it's doing 3.4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. And that puts us at the 3 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. And that puts us at the 4 mile point. Roger, Tango 21 receiving, got you at the Greyleys turn. So I had to knock down the squelch at that point. If you remember, if you looked at the repair video, the squelch wasn't that sensitive and I had to be a bit careful how I set it. So I've just knocked it down that fraction, but now we've got an increased squelch tail. So that's the 5 mile point, which is our worst one.
Right, we're now square wheeled at the Greyleys Level Crossing.
Roger got you square wheeled at Greyleys Level Crossing. No doubt you'll call me when you're passing it and tell me whether the petrol station's still open.
Petrol station is still open.
Roger. Roger got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing. And now we'll have the price.
Right, 155.7 and
155.7 and 179.9, I think you said over.
Yep, I'll do that.
Okay, that concludes the test, thank you.
I'll do that.
10-10. So as predicted, the squelch was a bit iffy, but that's the 6 mile test, the wrong side of a hill, our worst possible direction, which is why we do these comparison tests like this. And we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station and see what it sounds like with the standard replacement mic.
CBM21, testing the Harvard CBM404 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is on a standard replacement microphone. So there we are, thanks for watching.